I love what you've done with the place.
Thank you. A lot of planning went into it, like deciding where to place everything.
I can imagine. The color scheme looks great.
Thank you.
Okay, so talk me through your design process. I know you're dying to tell me.
I thought you'd never ask. Let's take a seat. We're going to be here for a while.
Okay, shoot. I'm all ears.
So, I decided to put the bookshelves on this wall, behind the sofa so that it wasn't left bare.
Nice. I like how you placed the blue shelf above the red one.
I was going to place them next to each other, but I thought the different levels would be a nice touch.
Yes, it definitely is a nice touch. Having one above and one underneath looks nice.
I decided to put the lamp in front of the window to block the nosy neighbor's view.
Have I ever told you how smart you are?
Yes, but I always love to hear it again every now and then.
I must say this sofa is so comfortable.
Thank you. I decided to place it between the window and the drawer to fill up the space.
The plant on the drawer looks lovely.
At first, I was going to put it on the floor next to the big plant.
It looks nice on the drawer.
My thoughts exactly. I put the big plant between the sofa and the drawer to fill up the gap.
I love the photo frame on the wall.
I still need to find a photo to put in the frame.
You can put a photo of us in the frame if you want.
Yes, I bet you would love a framed photo of yourself on my wall.
I would. It doesn't have to be in the frame. It could be on one of the peg photos near the frame.
I could put a photo of you on the clipboard next to the peg photos.
As long as I'm on the wall, I don't mind where you put me.
Of course you will be on the wall. You'll be in a frame that is above all of the other photos.
Ah, I will get a framed photo of us to put in my house.
Amazing. Now, I need your help deciding where to place my rug.
Rugs belong on the floor.
Yes, I know they go on the floor. I'm wondering if I should put half of the rug under the sofa or not.
If it is a big rug, I think you should put half of it under the sofa.
Let me show you the rug.
The rug suits the living room so well. I love it.
Thank you. So, what do you think? Shall I put it under the sofa or not?
No, leave it like this. It looks great. I will say one thing though.
What?
No shoes on the rug.